You looked at Sir Alex Ferguson, the legacy that he had before the never die scenario, and that was one of those incidents last night. I think a lot of people don't leave Old Trafford until the final whistle is blown, and this just indicate what Ronaldo is all about. He brought that sort of winning mentality, that sort of feel that we never die until that whistle is gone, and last night just typified that. So it's a fantastic result. We needed it. It's something to keep us going forward into that group stage, and I'm sure the manager and the players will be delighted, as well as the fans around the world. When you're talking about Ronaldo here, we're talking about arguably the best player in our generation, if not the best player. I mean, there was going to be argument with him and Messi, and that's a debate for itself. But certainly what he brings to our football club is nothing but, the professionalism that he brings, the winning mentality, being five-time Ballon d'Or. He's won every trophy there is to win in the game. And, people will probably want to model themselves on Ronaldo, and nothing better than have him at the club where people can see him day in, day out, to see his work ethic, what he brings to the football club. It's a fantastic investment. I don't think money can sort of justify what he brings to our football club, and he's more than that. He's been part of the fabric for a number of years, and it's good to have him back, and you can see what he's already doing at the football club.